Hello everyone. Once again I am here to just to share the very inspirational story which always motivate me, and I always think that I have to share with all of you. I know that there are so many the blessings, there are some greetings which you always like to read early in the morning, because you know that they just give us the very unbelievable energy. And there are some stories which I already read from these books. You are destined for the skies. Many of the stories I already shared with you, and today's chapter is about a winner never quits. A winner never quits. Yeah, there are some examples. I would like to share with you the great example of, I think all of you have heard the great name, that is the world brand KFC. Yeah, Kentucky Fried Chicken. Yeah, it is one of the very successful brand, and all of you have also just tasted the great recipes of KFC. The great story behind it, a very popular brand across the world, we owe it to the Colonel Sanders. Yeah, who was the owner of KFC, Colonel Sanders. A visionary man. He was literally broke when he reached at the age of 65. Yeah, he had already sold his small restaurant, only to realize before long that his meager pension and the proceeds from the sale of his restaurants would not keep him alive for a long time. He was desperately just found himself in the Great Depression, so he decided to just make over the all things, and he decided to just commit with suicide. But at the same time, one of his best friend just encounter with him, and now then he decided that to start our once again this great journey. So he started once again and show his recipes how to make on the street, and many of the people just become very impressed, and also taking the relish special recipes which he had made. And then what happened, Sanders could have easily given up. Many people would do today, but he did not, and so he decided that to start my journey once again. So he started it, and he became a very successful businessman. So all of you know that KFC, that is the world brand, and now you can also get that things all over world. 2,500 franchises are there of KFC. This is a great inspirational story. Whenever you think that everything is over now, but I believe that everything is start from that point. You can restart your journey. You can get anything in your life. At the age of 65, he decided to become a successful businessman, and then he became also. So these are the great examples. You know that achievers and winners are made of such metal. Believe it or not, that's the metal you too and I too are made of. All we need to do is to discover our real worth. Keep going ahead till we reach the heights. We should not lose anything. Whenever you feel that now I can't do that one, but somewhere the hidden energies which are always going to motivate you and also push you forward. So we are destined to, we are sure to encounter the failures on our way. However, let us believe that end of the road success awaits us. It is just a matter of how long it takes to cross the road. Yeah, it depends on your mental health, it depends on your passion, it depends on your willingness. So best luck. You can also decide anything. You can also get the success in your life. So have a nice day.